This protocol is a simple, quick electrolysis deposition method for preparing gold dendritic nanoforests on a titanium nitride-coated silicon substrate.
The main advantages of this technique are its simplicity and its speed.
Gold dendritic nanoforests can induce plasmonic hotspots and enhance plasmonic photocatalytic reactions.
One can also use this procedure to prepare the dendritic nanoforests of other metals, such as silver.
Visual demonstration makes it easier to emphasize essential details in the experiment.
To begin the procedure, cut 10 2x2 cm pieces of N-type silicon wafer. Sonicate the silicon samples for 5 minutes each in acetone, isopropyl alcohol, and deionized water in sequence. Dry the samples for 5 minutes under a stream of nitrogen gas. Then, place the clean, dry silicon samples in a sample holder and put the holder in a high PIMS sample chamber. Place a 4-inch diameter titanium target on a high PIMS sputtering cathode and pump down the high PIMS chamber to 8 × 10⁻⁶ torrs. Deposit a 50 nanometer thick layer of titanium on the silicon samples. Then, deposit titanium nitride to achieve a total titanium nitride thickness of about 300 nanometers. When titanium nitride deposition is complete, combine 240 microliters of 1 molar chloroauric acid